Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to automatically give a role in Discord. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to open your browser, search for yagpdp.xyz. So you should see that here at the upper part of my screen, one, and just go ahead and type that XYZ. Okay. So once you've done that, just go ahead and click on Control Panel at the upper right corner of your screen. And then let's just wait. And then now click on Login using Discord at the upper right corner of your screen. Okay. So now let's just go ahead and wait. So now here, just go ahead and click on Authorize button. And then now what you need to do is to click on this button or the select server or change server option at the upper part of your screen. Now select the server where you want to add the automatically add role. Okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on this server, and then we just need to wait again. Then here you need to make sure that it is the right server, then click on continue. Then here just go ahead and allow all of these permissions. Okay. So click on authorize button. Then here we just need to confirm that we are not a robot. So we just need to do some simple puzzle, or I think I don't have to do that. Okay. So I don't have to do it. So here, let's just refresh this page because we should see the server right here. Okay. So once you've done that, you need to select again the server. Now, once you're here, what you need to do is to click on this Tools and Utilities option at the left side of your screen. Then select Auto Role. So now, once you're here, for the automatically assigned members this role, just go ahead and select a role. Okay, so to do that, go here on Discord, and then right click on the server where you add the bot, and then go to server settings and select roles. So here, just go ahead and click on create role, and then go. So now just go ahead and put a role name. So just go ahead and put a role name right here and then select a role color. So once you've done that, just go ahead and click on Save Changes. So I already created mine. So after you've done that, what you need to do is to go back here on this website, or now click on the Tools and Utilities at the left side of your screen, then select Auto Role. Now, right here, just go ahead and select the role that you've created, then click on Save. Okay? So right here, so click on the Save button, but I already added mine, so now once you've clicked on the Save button, go back to your Discord server, and that should add the automatically gave a role in Discord. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.